Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Hello, I am Ifat Fettosh Shampa, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Mohammadpur branch. So, my dear, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Thank you. So, my dear, do you know what class we will do now? Yes, now we do our new class, but what will be our class? Let's go, my dear. Now we will see a video. After that, you have to tell me what class we do today. Okay, let's go see the video.
This is our capital letter A, and this is small letter A. Apple, ant. A, A, A. This is capital letter B, and this is small letter B. Ball, butterfly. Ball, butterfly. B, ba. This is capital letter C, and this is small letter C. Cake, cat. Cake, cat. C, ka. This is capital letter D, and this one small letter D. Doll, drum. D, da. D, da. This is capital letter E, and this one small letter E. Egg, elephant. E, A. This is capital letter F. This is small letter F. Flower, flag. F. This is capital letter G, and this is small letter G. Guitar, girl. G, ga. This is capital letter H. This one small letter H. Hat, hand. H, ha. This is capital letter I, and this one small letter I. Ice cream, igloo. I, E.
So, my dear, today we will start our class with GK question. Yes, today our GK question is what? Wow, look, what is this? This is a classroom. This is just like our classroom. Yes. So, we read in this classroom, okay? Is it? So, tell me, my dear, if anyone asks you, what class do you read in? What will be your answer? What class do you read in? What will be your answer? Yes, our answer will be I read in playgroup. I read in playgroup. So today our GK question is what class do you read in? What class do you read in? I read in playgroup. I read in playgroup. So if anyone asks you what class do you read in? What will be your answer? You have to say like this way. I read in playgroup. I read in playgroup. So, my dear student, please say with me, what class do you read in? I read in playgroup. I read in playgroup. So, this is our today's GK question. Please memorize it at your house. Thank you. So, my dear, have you seen that video? Yes. Now you can know what class we will be do today. So, now we do our English class. Yes, right. Now today we do our English class. So my dear, do you remember which are the friend of our English friend? Yes, look, what is this? This is our alphabet chart. This is our alphabet chart. A to Z, all our English friend. Is it? Yes. And they all are small letter because now we learn this small letter. So my dear, we have already learned lots of letter from here. Is it? Okay, let's go. Once again, we say what letters are they. Say with me, this is letter A. Yes, A after B, B after C, and C after letter D, D after E, E after F, F after G, G after H, H after I after J. J after K. K after L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Yes, these 26 alphabet letters are our English friend, and we already know how to write letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G and letter H. So my dear, do you remember what we learned our previous class? Yes, our previous class topic was write by yourself age. Write by yourself age. So do you remember how to write age? Yes, for age writing we need two shape friends. How many shape friends? Two shape friends. Standing stick and half circle. Standing stick and half circle. And this is lower face half circle. So how to write letter H? Standing stick, half circle. Standing stick, half circle. And what is this? Yes, this is our English copy. What is this? This is our English copy. In our English copy, we have 3 rows, 4 lines. 3 rows, 4 lines. Is it? Yes. And where we write our letter H? Do you remember? Yes. First row to second row. That means first line to third line. Standing stick, and in the middle row, second line to third line, half circle. Lower face half circle. Okay. This lower face why? Because lower to down. Lower face half circle. So how to write letter H? Standing stick, half circle. So now tell me, do you remember H have lots of friends? Yes, there are lots of friends. Which one H have? So what is this? This is, wow, this is house. H for house. H for hat. H for hand. H for, yes, hand. Hello. And H for hammer. H for helmet also. So H have lots of friends. And H is a, do you know? H is a tall letter, short letter or hanging letter? Yes, H is a tall letter. H is tall letter. Why it is tall? Because we write H in the first line to third line. That means first row to second row. That's why it is tall letter. And do you remember H phonic sound? Yes. H phonic sound is ha. H phonic sound is ha. H ha house. H ha hat. H ha hen. H ha hand. So this is our previous class topic. Write by yourself H. So my dear, today we will meet a new friend. Yes, today we will learn our alphabet new friend. Do you know which one is our today's friend? Okay, I will tell you. What is this? Yes, this is a standing stick. Is it? And what is this? Yes, this is a dot. When this dot meet with this standing stick, upper side, look, what is this? Yes, this is letter I. This is small letter I. And this is our today's friend. Okay, so today we run this letter. And what is our topic? Today our topic is write I over the dots. Write I over the dots. Before start that, do you know I have lots of friends. I have lots of friends. Do you want to meet that? Okay, I will introduce you to them. So look, wow, what is this? Wow, there are lots of ice cream, is it? Yes, one of the friend is ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Now look, what is this? This is a house, is it? Yes, but this is ice house. This is called igloo. Igloo is also the friend of letter I. And look, what is this? This is ink. This is ink. When we are writing something, we use this ink. So this is also the friend of letter I. And what is this? Wow, this is a iron. Yes, because of this iron, we can iron our cloth. We can get nice cloth. Okay, so this iron is also the friend of this letter I. And look, what is this? Ooh, do you scared? Yes, I am scared. I am very much scared. There are lots of insects. Is it? There are lots of insects. And these insects are the friend of letter I. So, we already meet lot of friends who are the friend of letter I. And this is our today's friend, letter I. Oh, look, what is this? This is letter I. Is it? This is small letter I. And look, my dear, what is this? Oh, this is a naughty ant. Is it? Who always ate our book. And what we have to do then? Yes, that time we have to write over that dot. And today our topic also, write I over the dot. Just because of this naughty ant, we have to write this I again. And we have to write it nicely. For that, what we need? For that, you need your pencil. Yes, you need this pencil. This is your magic stick. Okay. Now we have to write it over this dot. How to write over the dot? Look, this is our I. Small letter I. Where is our I? Yes, in the middle row. In the middle row. A small standing stick. And over the upper side there is a dot. So how to write over the dot? We take our this pencil and write over this dot. How to write? Upper side to down side standing stick. Upper side to down side standing stick. How to write? Upper side to down side standing stick. This is our letter I. So there is already a dot. Okay. So we have to just write over this standing stick. Standing stick, small standing stick and a dot. This is our letter I. A small standing stick in the middle row and a dot. This is our letter I. This is our today's friend. And I have lots of friends. So my dear kids, do you remember for writing English, Bangla or math, we need some shape friend. Is it? Yes, we have lots of shape friends. So, do you remember the name? Okay, I will show you again. My dear, what is this? This is standing stick. This is standing stick. What is this? This is left side half circle. This is left side half circle. And what is this? This is right side half circle. Right side half circle. What is this? This is flipping stick. This one flipping stick. What is this? This is slash. This is right side slash. What is this? This is left side slash. So do you know what is this? This is lower side half circle. This is lower side half circle. And what is this? This is upper side half circle or upper face half circle. And what is this, my dear? This is circle. This is circle. So there are lots of friends. That means there are lots of shape friends. We already met with them. For today's writing, do you know what shape friend we need? Yes, for today's writing, that means for our today's English friend, we need this standing stick. Yes, this standing stick. What is this? This is standing stick. We need a small standing stick and a dot. What is this? This is dot. And this standing stick and a dot need our today's English friend, letter I. So do you know how to write letter I? Look. What is this? This is our English copy. What is this? This is our English copy. So look how many rows are there. In our English copy we have 1, 2 and 3 rows. How many rows? 3 rows. And how many lines? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means in our English copy we have 4 lines. So 3 rows, 4 lines. So where we write our today's friend? Letter I. Do you know? We write letter I in the middle row. That means number 2 row. This is middle row. That means line 2 to line 3. Line 2 to line 3. How to write letter I? Look, we invite this standing stick here. This middle row like this way. This is a small standing stick and this upper side we put a dot. So what is this? This is our English friend letter I. This is our English letter I. Alphabet friend small letter I. So how to write letter I? Standing stick, a small dot. In the middle row, a small standing stick, upper side to down side and a small dot. How to write letter I? Second line to third line, a standing stick and a dot. Second line to third line, a standing stick and upper side a dot. But look, is it right? Is it nice I? No. So we have to write it properly. How to write it properly? Upper side to down side standing stick. Upper side to down side a small standing stick and a dot. So how to write letter I? Second line to third line a small standing stick. That means middle row a small standing stick and upper side a dot. This is our letter I. This is our today's friend letter I. For I we need 2 shape friends. Standing stick and the dot. Oh, look my dear, what is this? There are lots of I, but this is not properly written, is it? Yes, because there are lots of dot. Why is there are lots of dot? Because our topic is write I over the dot. First of all, we have to learn how to write over this dot. Then our next class we will learn how to write letter I again. Okay? So look, there are lots of I. Is it? And what is this? Yes, again the naughty ant. The naughty ant always ate our friends, and that time we have to write over this dot. So now what we will do? Yes, take your pencil. Take your pencil and this will be your yes magic stick, and you have to write here over this dot, then our letter will be alright. It looks nice. So how to write this I over the dot? Yes. So first of all, take your pencil, put it here, this second line, and now downside a small standing stick over this dot, and there are also already put a dot. That's why that means this is our I. So what is this? This is our I, and we already wrote over this dot. So how to write I over this dot? First of all, this upper side, that means second line to third line, a small standing stick, and there is already a dot. This is letter I. First line, no. Second line to third line, that means middle row, upside to downside, a small standing stick and a dot. This is a I, and it is very easy to write I. Is it? Yes. How to write I? Upper side to downside, a small standing stick and a dot. And look again, we write again. Okay, this is upper side to standing stick to down stick. Oh, is it right? No, we write outside of this over the dot. So is it right? No, If you write this way, Miss can't give you star. This is not right. We have to write it nicely like this way. In the middle row, second line to third line, up to down, a small standing stick, and there is already a dot. This is right eye, and this is our today's topic. If you write like this way, then Miss will give you lots of star. Okay, so do you know how to write eye? This is very easy. Look, like this way, a small standing stick and a dot, a small standing stick and a dot. So this is our today's topic. Write eye over the dot. Write eye over the dot. So everyone, this is our lowercase alphabet book. This is our today's English CW book. Is it? Yes. In this book, we have to do our classwork. And now open page number 22. That means 22. Open this page. Page number 22. And look, there is eye. Yes, there is a eye. Is it? Small standing stick and a dot. So what we have to do? Look, the naughty and what he did? Yes, again he ate our books. All the eye ate by the naughty ant. So what we have to do now? Now we have to write over this dot. This is our today's topic. What is our today's topic? Today's our English topic is write eye over the dots. Write eye over the dots. Write eye over the dots. So what we have to do? We have to write over this dot. Okay. So my dear, if you write nicely in your classwork, Miss will give you lots of star. Yes, like this way, lots of star. Okay. So what we learned today? Today we learned, that means today our topic was write eye over the dot. Write eye over the dot. And this is our today's friend I. And I have lots of friends. Is it? Yes, I have lots of friends. Ice cream, iron, ink, igloo. Okay, these all are I friend. And do you know what is the phonic sound of I? Yes, I phonic sound is E. I phonic sound is E. I phonic sound is E. I, E. I, E, ink. I, E, igloo. I, E, ice. I, E, ice cream. I, E, iron. So, I phonic sound is E. And I is a small letter. I is a small letter. Because we write I in this middle row. In our English copy, in middle row. That's why I is a small letter. Okay. So my dear, that's all for today. I hope you understood today's topic. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.